Hey there, you beautiful souls. Stay tuned for this 10-minute video and grab yourself some popcorn or some water, or don't, and enjoy. One thing I like about sweat is you physically can see the work you put in. Thanks. Okay, y'all, as promised, let's get into these tacos and these burgers. I took this $18 pack of burger and turned it into 2 meals for myself and my 3 kids. We had cheeseburgers and also tacos. Now let's get into it. So obviously you need your cheeseburger staples. Whatever you put on your burger obviously is totally fine. I picked up these Dempster buns. They were about $4. Can't beat that. And I don't know about you, but I don't really like to add too much to my burger. I like my burger simple, and I like simple toppings. Just a classic good burger. Lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle, mustard, mayo, you know. Now we're going in with the staple, you know, that Lori seasoning, pepper, and onion powder. Really, really simple. Oh, and we can't forget that Leah Perrin's burger booster. If you know, you know.
Conference that is so well spoken of, it literally became John Travolta, Tyler Perry, Mike Tyson. I've had our live revenue acceleration trainings in the days preceding the 10X Growth Conference. In this training, myself, my partner, Brandon Dawson,
and what I'm doing here is just separating the burgers and rolling them out into individual ones so that they're much easier to cook when I bring them over to the stove.
Be there, okay? Trust me. I can only offer this to the people who reserve their seat early. Go ahead and register now and secure your seat. I'll see you at the event.
Multitasking queen. Now that we've got the burgers on, I'm starting to prep the tacos in the pan right next to it, and I'm just grounding that ground beef down, flipping these burgers. Now I know you wish that was a scratch and sniff. Okay, now for this next step, do not come for me in the comments until you try it. Add a can of beans. It can be any kind of beans into your taco meat. This will stretch and multiply the amount you have. And trust me, it looks like crap now, but bam! Check it out. About 30 minutes in, you cannot tell. The flavor is there, the texture is there, and you cannot tell. My kids love it. I know you will love it. Okay, now it's time to fill these babies. Spread that one open right there. Okay, now it's time to bust these tacos back open, and we're going to add some toppings. Cheese, lettuce, salsa, sour cream. Now, before we go ahead and finish off these tacos, let's give a check to those cheeseburgers, and the buns are looking perfectly toasted. Okay, now back to these tacos real quick. Let's wrap these babies up. And yes, I'm in a Halloween shirt. Live your life. Kids, time to eat! And check out these leftovers I meal prepped for myself. Now, I just want to give a quick shout out to FFam because she got me motivated to do my workout today, and I will link their channel name in the description if you guys would like to go give them a follow or a subscribe or a like. I'm sure she would appreciate it as she is growing her channel as well. I love watching her channel. I think I've zoomed through all of her videos just about. Check them out. One thing I like about sweat is you physically can see the work.
20 minutes. Yours looks better. Or the door. Or the house. Sorry, I'm Professor Gazier. This is the long-range telescope I use for tracking anything in wide region of the firmament. In fact, I'm just about to observe satellites 6 objects. Yeah, that's the only reason I'm here.
Demure, decor, and presentation this morning. But one thing that I'm not trying to do is pass those same habits on to my kids. So everything that I struggle with, that I brought from childhood into my adulthood, is stuff that I don't want to pass on to my kids. Like, why would you, if you had the opportunity, why would you want your kids to go through the same struggles and problems that you went through? It really doesn't even make sense.
Hi, can I help you?
Hello, can I get a large 2 cream and, sorry, 1 cream, 2 sweetener?
Any blueberry fritters with us today as well?
No, thank you. And then do you guys have a new mug?
I'm sorry?
Do you have a new coffee mug?
No.
Oh, okay. It was just shined on the screen.
Nope, that sold out the first day we got it.
Oh, wow.
Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Thank
Is it
you.
the same one you're thinking?
Yeah, it's like a donut or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, that went really quick.
Yeah, that's cute. Really cute Tim Hortons coffee mugs that to it, and oh my gosh, my hair is so wild today. My daughter absolutely loves tea and expressing herself with her personalized cups and mugs. So since Christmas, I got her the Christmas one, and she absolutely loves it. It's really cute. I'll show it in the vlog later. But the one they just displayed was super cute. It was like a donut, and unfortunately, they're sold out. So state of loss. People will keep coming back for more. It's kind of funny because although I'm recording content for the purpose of posting it on YouTube now, it's kind of weird because I've always done this. Hold on, let me pay for my coffee.
Large coffee?
Yes.
Thank you. Here you go. Here you go.
Thank you. You too. But yeah, so I'm just about to pull up to the house. I think I'll end the vlog here and I'll catch you guys later.